Hello and welcome to new session, that is sulfonamide, which is also called sulfa drug. It is a part first. I am Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gowdi, lecturer in KK Wagh Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. First of all, we see what is the learning outcomes. After watching this video, student will able to name a sulfa drug according to IUPAC system, to understand the mechanism of action of sulfa drug, to classify sulfa drug in different ways, and to recognize the sulfa drug on the basis of structure and physical property. Now we see what is the introduction of sulfonamide. Paul Ehrlich, which is a father of chemotherapy, observed selective staining of microorganisms by dye. Horlin and his associates observed that sulfonyl group has affinity for protein molecule. This leads to synthesis of azo dye containing sulfonamide group, that is SO2NH2 group. Bayer gives the name to the red dye possessing antibacterial activity as Prontosil, which is synthesized in 1908. In 1932, Gerhard Domagk used Prontosil to treat streptococci infection in mice and identified antimicrobial activity, that is antibacterial activity. And in 1935, Domagk declared that Prontosil was effective not because of presence of azo group, which stains the tissue selectively, but because of para-aminobenzene sulfonamide, which is obtained by its reductive cleavage in gut. Thus, it is a prodrug which is inactive in vitro and active in vivo. Sulfa drug were discovered when red dye called Prontosil has its in vivo antibacterial activity while it was in vitro inactive. This supports the idea that the Prontosil exerts its action. It has to be activated by host metabolic pathway to give active form. Sulfa drug were first chemical substance by systemically used to treat and prevent bacterial infection in human. Sulfonamides are synthetic chemotherapeutic agent. Sulfonamide are the drug that are derived from sulfonilamide, which is a sulfur containing chemical. They shows bacteriostatic, that is they inhibit the growth and multiplication of bacteria but do not kill them. Now we say what is the mode of action of sulfonamide. As we know, sulfonamide shows bacteriostatic activity. Folic acid is necessary for growth of all the bacteria and cell division of bacteria. It is synthesized by bacteria from PABA, that is para-aminobenzoic acid. Sulfonamide interfere with folic acid synthesis by preventing addition of para-aminobenzoic acid into folic acid molecule through competing for the enzyme dihydroterate synthetase. Chemistry of sulfonamide. The sulfonamide functional group is a SO2NH2, a sulfonyl group connected to an amine group. A sulfonamide is compound that contains this group. This is the basic structure of sulfonamide. It is a sulfonamide group which is connected to aromatic ring, and at fourth position para-amino group is essential. This is the R, that is N1 substitution. The amino and sulfonyl group on benzene ring are essential and should be present on 1,4 position. Replacement of SO2NH group by CONH2 group reduces activity. The nitrogen of amino group at para position is designated as N4, while the nitrogen of SO2NH2 is designated as N1. By substitution at N1 and N4 position, the various compounds are synthesized. Sulfonilamide and its derivative are popularly known as sulfonamide or sulfa drug. Pre-para amino group is essential for antibacterial activity. Substitution of heterocyclic aromatic compound at N4 position produces more potent sulfa drug. Any substitution in benzene ring causes loss of activity. The more negative SO2 group at N1 exhibit greater antibacterial activity. Substitution made in amide NH2, that is N1 position, have variable antibacterial activity. The para NH2 group at N4 position can be replaced or substituted by such a chemical group that can be converted into free amino group into body. Systemic sulfa drugs are evolved by substitution at N1 position, whereas gut active sulfa drugs are produced by substituting N4 position. Now, classification of sulfa drug. First classification, chemical classification. Substituent on aromatic amino group, example prontosil. Substituent on sulfonamido nitrogen, example sulfadiazine, sulfamethoxazole. Substituent on both amino and sulfonamido group, that is example succinyl sulfathiazole, phthalate sulfathiazole. Sulfas without aromatic amino group, for example mefenide. Second classification, pharmacological based on classification. As oral hypoglycemic, example tolbutamide. As diuretic, example furosemide and chlorthalidone. As antimalarial, example sulfadoxine. As antidiarrheal, for example phthalate sulfathiazole. As antibacterial, sulfadiamidine and sulfadiazine. Third classification on antibacterial activity. Use in eye infection, for example sulfacetamide. Use in intestinal infection, for example sulfaguanidine, phthalate sulfathiazole and succinyl sulfathiazole. Use in systemic infection, sulfadiazine, sulfadiamidine and sulfathiazole. Use in burn infection, for example silver sulfadiazine. Use in urinary tract infection, for example sulfafurazole, sulfafenazole and sulfamethoxazole. Fourth classification, antibacterial can also be classified on the basis of duration of action. First, long acting, that is sulfa has T-half of about 24 hours, and the example are sulfamethoxypyridazine and sulfadimethoxine. Second, intermediate acting, that is sulfas having T-half between 10 to 24 hours. For example, sulfamethoxazole, sulfadiazine. Short acting, sulfas having T-half less than 10 hours. Example, sulfathiazole and sulfacetamide. And use in intestinal infection, examples are sulfaguanidine, phthalate sulfathiazole and succinyl sulfathiazole. Physical properties of all the sulfa drugs. They are white to yellowish white crystalline powder. They are almost odorless. They are very slightly soluble in water but soluble in alkali hydroxide solution and in mineral acid. Taste. Sulfadiazine and sulfaguanidine are tasteless. Sulfacetamide having acidic and saline taste. Phthalate sulfathiazole and succinyl sulfathiazole having slightly bitter taste, and sulfamethoxazole having bitter aftertaste. Stability and storage condition for sulfa drug. They are affected by heat and pressure of air and moisture accelerates the effect. Therefore, they should be stored in tightly closed light-resistant container. Diazotization reaction. As we know, all the sulfur drug contains primary aromatic group in their structure. So, they undergoes diazotization reaction at 0 to 10 degrees Celsius and gives diazotized compound. In this first involved, the addition of sodium nitrite to hydrochloric acid causes formation of nitrous acid. That is NaNO2 plus HCl gives HNO2 plus NaCl. This nitrous acid further reacted with sulfur drug containing primary aromatic group and gives diazotized compound. Individual monograph of different drugs from sulfonamide will be continued in next part, that is part 2. Thank you so much for watching this video.